Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have, it just says coupon deals. Are they not? Yes, they're super coupons. Super coupons going through the 25th, starting the 11th. So just note, 11th through the 25th, current super coupons going through the 10th. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Deal of the day 7, deal of day 6 today was the $80 off a Quinn Master Impact socket set, SAE and metric, and then the $100 torque wrench from Icon. Anybody get those? Tomorrow, snap ring pliers from Icon, 45% off. And then the new Yukon 36-inch 5-drawer cart, $250, $80 off. Anybody picking those up for the 7th day? But let's just get to it and jump in, starting with a Hercules alert. Hercules alert, 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with precision LED shadow guide, $330, normally $350, $20 off, starting with a, you said it, you got it, a Dyatlov deal. Only $20 off. That's less than 10%. That's about 5%. Terrible. 3.40,000 rockin' Warrior 4.3 amp 4.5-inch angle grinder with slide switch, $13, 13% off. Hercules again, 12 amp 1 9/16 inch SDS-MAX type variable speed rotary hammer with max vibration control, $190, normally $230, $40 off. Bauer 7 amp 4.5-inch slide switch angle grinder, $23, 23% off. Jordan is the GOAT. Bauer 15 amp 14-inch portable concrete pull saw, $260, $40, normally $300. $40 off. Bauer 10 amp 1 1/8 SDS type variable speed rotary hammer, $80, $15 off. Hercules alert again, 550-pound universal aluminum mobile folding miter saw stand, $20, normally $150, $20 off, normally $150, $170. It's down from, again, that's less than or just over 10% off. We have Bauer 10 amp 5-inch deep cut variable speed bandsaw, $90, $20 off. Bauer's 5-inch hook and loop universal pattern sanding disc, 50-pack, $17, 15% off. Bauer's 250-pound capacity adjustable roller stand with edge guide, $22.49, 10% off. The HARBRO favorite, my alter ego 10 amp 7.25-inch circular saw, $30, Drill Master, normally $40, 25% off. Excellent deal. Chicago Electric Power Tools 4.8 amp 7-inch tabletop wet cut tile saw, $55, 15% off our bare minimum. Warrior Rotary Tool accessory set, $276 piece, $14, normally $19, 26% off. Warrior 7 amp 3-inch by 21-inch variable speed belt sander, $29.99, 14% off. Central Machinery 16-inch variable speed scroll saw, $100, $30 off. Hercules 20-inch by 6-inch hex bit floor scraper, $130, $20 off. Bauer's 24-inch fence and miter gauge, $50, normally $60, 16% off. Central Machinery 500-pound capacity universal mobile base, $40, 16% off. Hercules again, 4.5-inch 36-tooth general purpose circular saw blade, $10, 37% off. Excellent deal on this saw blade compared to Diablo. Bauer 4-inch by 36-inch sanding belt with zirconia alumina grain, $3, 25% off. Bauer again, 6-inch spiral and loose cotton buffing wheels, 2-piece, $6, 25% off. Bauer's 59.5-inch by 3/16-inch 10 TPI wood cutting bandsaw blade, $13, 13% off. Bauer again, 59.5-inch by 3/8-inch 4 TPI wood cutting bandsaw blade, $13, 13% off. Central Machinery 6-inch grinding wheel dresser, $4, 33% off. And then we have some Grants 3-inch universal pads, 2-packs, $6.99. Not Shakur, 22% off. They should put that somewhere here in the notes. Doyle 10-inch professional rivet nut setter at 10 inches is great, $45, normally $50, 10% off. Pittsburgh's long handle combination wrench set, 11-piece, your choice of SAE or metric, $20. Normally $25, 20% off. We have Pittsburgh's 12-inch steel adjustable wrench, $6, normally $10, 40% off. Icon alert, another scraper. Icon alert, $10, professional scraper, lifetime guarantee, normally $14, 28% off. Super solid deal for an Icon hand tool. Bremen, also lifetime guarantee, 11-inch swivel pad, C-clamp locking pliers, $10, 33% off. Pittsburgh's 2-pound neon orange dead blow hammer at $6, 40% off. Normally $10. Doyle again, 16-ounce steel nailing hammer. Old Doyle rules, $15. Normally $20, 25% off. Then we have another Icon alert, 48-ounce soft face dead blow hammer, $28, normally $33. 15% off. Not great, not terrible. 3.6 Rotkin. Doyle 12-inch high performance adjustable wrench, $10, 33% off compared to Klein Tools. Central Machinery 5-pound metal vibratory bowl, $55. Normally $69.99, 21% off. Keep away from your loved ones. McGraw 8-gallon 150 psi oil-free horizontal shop auto air compressor, $140, $20 off. Piers 15-degree professional coil roofing nailer, $169.99, $30 off. Fortress 6-gallon 150 psi ultra quiet oil-free pancake job site air compressor, $210, normally $230, $20 off. Banks 18-gauge Brad Air nailer, $25, normally $30, 16% off. Merlin 1/4-inch steel industrial plug, your choice of male or female. I know what I would choose, $149, normally $249, 40% off. Central Machinery 50-pound portable abrasive blaster kit, $28, normally $35, 20% off. Brand new Earthquake XT 1/2-inch composite air impact wrench, 2-inch extended anvil twin hammer, $120, normally $150, $30 off. Yeah, that's 20% off. That's pretty decent. We did just have a sale, but 20% off for a super coupon is decent. Pierce 30 degrees professional framing nailer, $169.99, normally $190, $20 off. Bauer 24-inch tool bag with 16 pockets, $25, 16% off. Daytona 4-ton floor jack with rapid pump, Daytona alert, $220, $50 off. And that triggers our handy dandy calculator, $50 off of $270. Get this at about 19%. 19% is good if you're in the market. Well above our minimum, almost at our sale price. Just pretty decent deal. 19% off, almost 20% off. Hallmaster 1,000-pound capacity, 1.5-inch by 10-foot ratcheting tie-down straps, 4-pack, $18, 28% off. Pittsburgh's 450-pound low-lift transmission jack for $90, $35 off. Icon Alert again, 1-year guarantee. Doesn't sound as good. Sounds kind of a little bit embarrassing, but your 1-year guarantee, at least better than 90 days. The R134A AC manifold gauge set, $160, normally $200, $40 off. That's a clean 20% off. Solid for Icon compared to Snap-on. Franklin 500-pound capacity hydraulic table cart, only $30 off. So if you missed it, I mean, you're probably better off waiting for a 20% off deal, which might be right around the corner from Memorial Day. But here we have it, $30 off if you missed the 10 days of deals. We have Icon 1-year guarantee again, the 1234YF AC manifold gauge set at $169.99. Normally $200, $30 off. Not as great as a discount as the regular 134A. We have Pittsburgh 12-ton hydraulic bottle jack at $28. Normally $40, 30% off. Fisher 750-pound heavy-duty ATV mower high lift jack at $240, normally $280, $40 off. Maddox universal locking lug nut removal. This feels like the 10 days of deals. Universal locking lug nut removal set, $30, 33% off. Solid for Maddox. 33% as a super coupon. I like, normally $45. Badlands snatch block, $25. Snatch blocks can just make you do everything. You can do anything. You can accomplish anything. You can build the pyramids. $25, normally $30, 16% off. 14-ounce STA Plex extreme pressure premium red grease, $8, 20% off. Stalube. Hallmaster 600-pound capacity motorcycle carrier, $230, only $10 off. Only $10 off. Equivalent of 30 Hiroshima bombs every hour. We continue. Maddox radiator pressure test kit, $100, $30 off. Jupiter Pure 2000 watt continuous 4000 watt peak. Pure sine wave power inverter, $250, normally $280, $30 off. Hallmaster's 2.5-ton trailer RV scissor stabilizer, $30, normally $38, 21% off. The Hallmaster tri-ball trailer hitch mount with hook. Be careful. Don't sit on this. $38, normally $50, 24% off. That's weird advice. Pittsburgh mechanics roller seat with drawers, $60, normally $80, 25% off. I have not seen this Pittsburgh. Why does it look different to me? Quick deep dive, 1,100 reviews. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been around for a bit. Used for more storage on 5-drawer cart. Casters bent. Great little setup. Look at that. They attached it to their truck. It has a weird smell. That's a weird thing to put in the review. It's a rolling tool seat. Excellent mobile mini pit toolbox. Great Pittsburgh rolling seat. It's good. All right. It's enough for me. Pittsburgh 2-inch by 20-foot, 4,000-pound capacity web lifting sling, $25, 34% off. Then we have the 24-ounce tire sealant at $11, 15% off. Vanguard 50-foot, 12 and 3 gauge multiple outlet extension cord with indicator light, $45, 10% off. Predator's 212 Ghost Kart racing engine, $270, $60 off. Is pretty decent. Almost 20%, just under. So okay deal. We have Bauer's 2300 PSI brushless max performance electric pressure washer, $200, $50 off. That's 20% off. Portland's 42cc 18-inch gas powered chainsaw, $150. Normally $185, $35 off. It's about 20% off. Drummond's 1/3 horsepower submersible utility pump, 2,000 gallons per hour, $69.99. Nice. Normally $100, $30 off. Greenwood's 50-foot by 3/4 inch contractor garden hose, $18, 25% off. For the Tarp Bros, 19-foot by 19-foot and 6-inch all-purpose weather-resistant 4mm tarp, $20, 23% off. Portland's 3.5 amp, 21-inch dual-action blade telescoping pole hedger, $55, 21% off. Drummond's 3/4 horsepower non-submersible Supermax 1-inch transfer pump, $140, $20 off. Drummond's 1 horsepower submersible sub pump with heavy-duty vertical float switch, 6,000 gallons per hour, $150, normally $170, $20 off. Drummond's 1 horsepower portable sprinkler pump, 1,075 gallons per hour, $120, $20 off. Hallmaster's 3-point quick hitch, 27 and 3/16 inch clearance, $100, $40 off. Armstrong 17 to 42 inch swivel tilt TV wall mount, $8, 46% off. Bunker Hill wireless security alert system, $15, 25% off. The Vulcan 500-pound capacity heavy duty large welding cabinet, $350, $50 off. And then Olson CO2 argon flow gauge regulator, $65, 10% off. Going to lighting, Braun 18,000 lumen LED detachable work light, $100, $25 off. Bronze, ooh, this is a steal of a deal. Bronze 200 lumen LED pen light, $5. Normally $8, 37% off. Close to the 40% off we get during some of the sales. We have Bronze brand new 500 lumen rechargeable portable folding LED work light, $18, $22. Normally 18% off. RoadShock LED off-road lighting wiring kit, $20, 33% off. Luminar Everyday 19-watt 2-foot linkable to light full spectrum LED plant grow light. What kind of plants are you growing? $18, 21% off. Then we have Storehouse in-house marine heat shrink tubing assortment with case 42-piece, $5, 28% off. We have a sneaky Icon under electrical 11-inch long reach pistol grip needle nose pliers, $18, 18% off compared to Snap-on. Hardy goatskin leather riding work gloves, $6.99. Kind of nice. Normally $10, 30% off. Hardy nitrile dipped work gloves, $1.49, 25% off. We have the 20 by 25 clear poly sheeting, $25, 16% off. Avanti's paintbrush set 2-piece best quality, $8. Normally $9, 11% off. Some Storehouse 15-inch cable ties, 100-pack. Your choice of color, black or white. Brand new black though, $5, 37% off. And those are your super coupons for the rest of the month of May, going on through the 25th. What do the HARBROs think? As usual, this feels like one of those, hey, we just had a 10 days of deals. Hey, we just had a parking lot sale, or there's a parking lot sale coming. Some okay deals in here, some decent deals. They sprinkle some. Sometimes they spoil us. Sometimes they don't. But some decent deals. HARBROs, of course, let me know which ones you think are worth picking up. And as usual, I'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting, HARBROs. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. Maybe hyping. Checking out the merch store. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.